To optimally prepare your computer or server for the installation of MobiCall, you should first adjust the performance options and the visual effects. You can do this by opening the System Settings. Go to Advanced System Settings and click on the Settings field under Performance. You can select the Customize for Optimal Performance option. In the Advanced column, set Optimal Performance to Background Services and click OK to complete this process. Tap or click on the Start button, followed by Settings. You'll need to be on the Windows 10 desktop to do this. From Settings, tap or click Update and Security. Choose Windows Update from the menu on the left, assuming it's not already selected. Tap or click the Advanced Options link on the very bottom of the page. Disable every option. It must be ensured that MobiCall in no case is automatically updated. On Windows 2016 Server, you will need to deactivate the automatic updates from PowerShell. Open an elevated command prompt window or PowerShell session. Type SCONFIG and press Enter. Select option 5. Now select A for automatically download and install updates, D for download only or M for manual updates. It must be ensured that MobiCall in no case is automatically updated. The MobiCall system needs at least 2 partitions and optimally 3, which are used as follows. The drive D is reserved for the MobiCall system. This must be at least 60 GB large and should be named with MobiCall. The drive E is intended for backup. Here the remaining available memory can be distributed. The drive should be named with backup. In the drive C, the Windows operating system is stored and must be at least 120 GB large and should be named with System. Depending on the expansion and use of the MobiCall system, many files are created on the drive in a very short time. In order to avoid this necessity of the MobiCall system causing a performance loss or instability of the system, the data indexing, which is usually activated by default, must be deactivated at least on the drive on which MobiCall is installed. To do this, right-click on Drive D and select Properties. Remove the checkmark on. Allow content for files on this drive to be indexed in addition to file properties. Accept these settings and confirm with OK. Repeat this procedure for other drives if desired. This is not necessary for drive C. In order to be able to see all data of a system in case of a support, it is recommended to set the following points in advance. To do this, go to the System Settings and open the Explorer options. Under the View column, you can select the following items. Show extension for known file types. Show hidden folders and files. Show protected folders and files. Use small desktop icons. To ensure that your system always provides maximum performance and that no standby mechanisms become active, set your system to high performance. To be able to set this, switch to the energy options of your system. You can access these by right-clicking on the Windows logo and selecting Energy Options from the menu. Now activate the High Performance option. After selecting this option, no separate transfer is required and the function is immediately active. In order for an installation is not affected by an active user account control, it should be deactivated. To do this, go to User Account Control under Control Panel. Here you select Change User Account Control Settings and set the slider to the bottom, so that you will never be notified if you add another user or if the customer makes a separate user available to you. Please note that as of Windows Server 2012 it is no longer sufficient for the user to belong to the administrators group. It is also necessary to set the permission on the drive. To be able to set this, right-click on the hard disk and select the menu item Properties. Select the Edit option in the Security column and then click Add. In the field Enter the object names to select, simply type in your username. You accept your selection by clicking on the OK button. Finally, activate the item's full access and change for the user and accept this with a final click on Accept. Repeat this procedure for further hard disks. It is not mandatory that this permission is set to drive C, as all files used and installed by MobiCall are stored and edited on the drive D.